Be honest, is your WhatsApp inbox an absolute disaster? Between family group chats, work threads, and random chats you forgot even existed, finding the conversation you actually need is a nightmare.
WhatsApp tried to fix this with custom lists at the top of your screen, but if you created more than 2 or 3, that top row just became another endless, frustrating horizontal scroll.
Well, that is finally changing. WhatsApp is quietly rolling out a massive layout overhaul in iOS version 26.21.74 that completely changes how you manage your clutter. Here's how it works and how to set it up right now.
First up, the secondary menu. Instead of forcing every single custom list to sit at the top of your screen, you can now curate that top row. Your absolute most critical lists stay front and center, while your lesser used lists get tucked away into a clean, secondary menu hidden behind a single filter button. It keeps your main interface incredibly sleek.
Second, you can finally hide default presets. If you never touch the favorites or groups filters, you are no longer forced to look at them. You can banish them to the secondary menu and reclaim that prime real estate for lists you actually care about. But the absolute best part of this update, the brand new drafts filter. If you're the type of person who starts typing a long reply, gets distracted, and completely forgets to hit send, this is a lifesaver. Instead of that little green draft label getting swallowed up and lost at the bottom of your inbox, this filter pulls every single unfinished conversation into one dedicated, easy-to-find hub.
Here is exactly how to set this up when the server-side update hits your device over the next few weeks. Open WhatsApp to your main Chats tab and swipe down to reveal your top filter row. Press and hold the All Filter pill on the far left, then tap Manage Lists from the pop-up menu. From here, you'll see your Layout hub. Just use the drag handles to decide what stays on your main dashboard and toggle or move the rest into your secondary archived menu.
This is easily one of the best quality of life updates WhatsApp has dropped this year. Did this update roll out to your iPhone yet, or are you still waiting on the server-side lottery? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.